Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best 6-1/2 inch cordless 18V circular saw on the market. The Makita XSS02Z 18V LXT Lithium-Ion cordless circular saw. If you're a DIY enthusiast, contractor, or just someone looking for raw cutting power in a portable design, this saw is going to get your attention. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the Makita XSS02Z impresses with its lightweight yet solid construction. It belongs to Makita's LXT line. That's their 18V lithium-ion tool series, known for professional performance and long battery life. Keep in mind, this version is the tool-only model, so you'll need to have or purchase a Makita 18V LXT battery separately. Now, let's talk performance. The saw is powered by a high-torque Makita-built motor that delivers 3,700 RPM. That means it cuts fast and clean, whether you're working with sheet goods, 2x4s, or ripping plywood. It handles everything with the kind of smooth confidence you'd expect from a premium brand. Its 6-1/2 inch blade gives you a maximum cutting capacity of 2 to 1/4 inch at 90 degrees. And for bevel cuts, it tilts up to 50 degrees, giving you great versatility on the job. Whether you're framing, flooring, or building decks, this saw adapts without missing a beat. One of the standout features is the precision machined base. It's engineered from heavy-gauge materials, so it holds true and steady through cuts. That base makes all the difference when you're trying to make accurate rip or cross cuts over longer distances. And let's talk convenience. The ergonomic design is really well thought out. It weighs just 7.3 pounds with the battery, so it's easy to maneuver, even overhead or in tight spaces. The soft grip handle also helps reduce fatigue, and the tool feels balanced in hand, which matters when you're on the job all day. Maintenance is straightforward. The blade changes are simple thanks to the shaft lock and the easy access blade wrench storage on the saw itself. That saves time and hassle when you need to swap out blades for different materials. As for battery life, while this tool doesn't include a battery, when paired with Makita's 18V LXT 5.0 Ah battery, you can expect solid runtime. The LXT series is also known for its fast charge times, so you'll spend more time cutting and less time waiting. Another big plus is that this saw is part of Makita's 18V platform, meaning if you already have other LXT tools, the batteries are interchangeable. That cross-compatibility is a game-changer for saving money and space. It's ideal for both pros and serious hobbyists. If you're someone who needs portability without compromising on cutting power, and you want the freedom of a cordless tool without losing precision, this is a top-tier option. It's built to last, made by a brand trusted in the construction world, and offers pro-grade performance in a compact form. That wraps up today's review of the Makita XSS02Z, the best 6-1/2 inch cordless 18V circular saw in its class. If you liked this breakdown and want more no-nonsense reviews on tools and gear that matter, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. This is Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and keep building smart.